Okay, this is a continuation of the first video, as our first video was cut off after about 10 minutes. So I wanted to continue with showing you how to make changes to the website. And the next item that I wanted to show was the home page. So if you have logged into the back end of the site and you have navigated to turtlelacrosse.com, you will see this new black bar at the top that shows your login, a quick link to the back end for you to log in. So if we want to edit anything on the home page, and maybe that's this section here about Welcome Lax World, or if you wanted to add some new images down here to this gallery, or perhaps update your staff information, or even the images at the top here, you'll click on Edit Page. And this takes you directly into the home page. So I mentioned the images at the top, and those are going to be edited in this, oops, let me go back. Those are going to be edited by clicking this Edit Slides button. And I'd like to open it in this tab so you can see it. When I click Edit Slides, it brings me to these three items that are in the page. So you have 3 slides. So you can click on one of them. The first one, this Champions slide. We've got this image showing up in the background. And if we add an image, it needs to maintain the size that this image is. So 2,560 pixels by 1,100 pixels is going to need to be the size that you would upload in order to create a new slide image. And then you can basically copy this heading area text or delete it if you're going to delete this and create a brand new slide. That this is the text that you're going to be changing here. And then once you change that text, you can click Update. And again, if you need Drio to help with image creation, sizing, please let me know. Now I'm going to go back to the home page and click Edit Page again. So it takes me back into the back end. And we'll scroll down to the next section, which is the About section. I can change the name of this so that that's obvious. And here we have the text for Welcome to Lax World. So you just click this little edit caret, and because the text is white, this box looks empty. So we'll click on the text tab, and then we can edit this text, but stay within these carets. These carets are what is helping to display this text as the color white. If you've edited this text, you can click Save. And then you'll click Save again. And then you'll finally, in order to save it permanently on the front of the website, you'll need to click this Update button. So those areas likely will remain the same for now. An area that may change is this gallery, and that's where we've added all these pictures. So in order to make any changes here, you'll click Select Images and you'll click Add to Gallery. So you'll find new pictures that you want to add. You'll upload files. So you'll select files from your desktop, or you can drag them directly in. and then you'll click Add to Gallery. And once you add them to the gallery, you'll see more images added here. Now, this gallery is set up to show 4 columns, so it's best to add at least your images within batches of 4, or delete 1 or 2 if you're going to add just 1 or 2 images. Otherwise, we can change this to 3 or 5 images in the column if we want to have a different number displayed. So once that's done, you'll click Save, and then you'll click this Update button. This Update button is the same as this Update button here, but as you scroll down, it just appears here so that you have the option to update it further down the page. Now, I know the question was brought up about creating a new page. So I looked into the options for that, and I've created this test page. So if you click into here, you'll see what I've done, and generally mine's opening in this text tab, but you'll probably want to see it in the visual tab. I've added a heading text, so this is to make the text larger and to probably give it a title or something of that nature for this page. And I can select this from here. So I would highlight this text. I can choose heading 2. You'll see it's a little smaller. Heading 1 is the largest. And then I've again shown you how to add a bulleted list, how to make bold text. So I've used this bold here. I have inserted an image and then a link, as well as this bar that's breaking up the page. And that bar is added by clicking this toolbar toggle. And when I click this toolbar toggle, I have a couple other options. And one of those options is a horizontal line. So it's simply just pushing this horizontal line button, and it adds that line for me. Or I can backspace and I can delete that. So this is a new page. Now, the page doesn't have a lot of design. It has a header and it has a footer. So if the page needs to be a little bit more robust, then I would recommend reaching out to us. But I'll show you what this page looks like. Let's see. Okay, so here's what this page looks like. You see the header, and you can see the content that I've added to this page. You see the footer. So this footer remains the same on each page, and the header will remain the same. If you wanted to switch this header out, then again, you would need to contact us for that. And an example of what a slightly more robust page is this About Our Club page. You can see I've got stylized text here, this image placement, the counter showing, and then this Green Turtle Lacrosse Club section. So again, you can make your judgment as to whether you want to add the page yourself or need to reach out to us. The one item to note is that once you've added that page, it will not automatically be added to the menu bar here. So you'll need to reach out to us to help with adding that page here to the menu bar. And I think, let me log in again, that should cover it. You may get some comments appearing on your posts, but I don't see anything yet, so that's good. If you have any emails that are coming from WordPress and have any questions, please reach out to me. But that should give you a starting point, at least, for working with the back of the website.